We now call 25 CR 554, the state of Texas versus Miranda Bolin. That's you, ma'am? Yes, you have to speak out so she can hear you. Mr. Turk is here representing you. And you were charged here in 25 CR 554 with the state jail felony of criminal mischief. Do you understand? You have to speak yes or no, so everybody can hear you. First of all, the court, in an abundance of caution, ordered Dr. Edgar Pond, licensed psychiatrist, to review your competency issue, and he has evaluated you and has prepared a report dated November 3rd, 2025, deeming you to be competent to stand trial. Have the parties had an opportunity to review this report? I'm calling this court's exhibit number 1 on this date. Any objections to having it put into the record and sealed?
No objection to either one, to in the record from having it seized.
No objection from the state.
No objection, Judge.
All right, will be part of the record and sealed. And Dr. Rapon deemed the defendant to be confident to stand trial. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
We may, Judge.
In summary, ma'am, this indictment alleges that on or about April 7th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the state jail felony of criminal mischief by throwing a brick at North End Baptist Church that I guess damaged a window. Was it a stained glass window too?
It was, one could call it a stained glass window. It had those shards of glass in it and a lot of
Okay.
Sure.
It, according to the report, it costs approximately $3,000 to $4,000 to replace that window. Do you understand what you're charged with here? You have to speak out.
Yeah.
Okay. If convicted, you face confinement in a state jail for any term of not less than 180 days, up to 2 years in the state jail. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand? Yes?
Yes.
An agreement's been reached in your case where you would be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, which can be up to 5 years in length. And there would be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. Is that your understanding?
Yeah.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand? How do you plead to this, guilty or not guilty? Are you pleading guilty voluntarily, that is on your own free will and because you are guilty? Having a good time up here? I'm showing you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney? Or the contents all true and correct?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence. Without objection, it's admitted.
No objections.
Maybe I need to read this report a little more thoroughly. Normally, people will come up here and enjoy themselves, Miranda. I mean, this is serious. You're looking at up to 2 years in the state jail, and a church has been damaged by your actions. I'm sure you regret this. Is that yes, or do you not care, really? You're enjoying yourself. You're having a lot of fun. This is serious. I mean, look around. Do you see anybody else laughing or grinning? This is serious. People make mistakes. It's against the law. You can go to prison. Sometimes you can get executed from what happens in this court. Your life can be taken by punishment. So it's all very serious. These are all felony offenses. This report by Dr. Lapon dated November 3rd, 2025, for the defendant's personality and mental disorder, which is a personality disorder, which nonetheless she is deemed competent to proceed to a resolution of her case. This is made a part of the record, and it will be sealed as court's exhibit number 1 on this date. Okay. States Exhibit 1, you've reviewed it, you signed it, it's all true and correct. This states, among other things, that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea, which is freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you, or you've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged and any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to be apparent, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses, and you're totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. Thank you. So help you God. All of this is true. Do you understand? You have to speak out, man.
You gotta say it.
Yeah.
All right. States Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record. Pre-sentence report is waived.
Yes, Judge.
I'm going to follow this agreement and find Miranda Boland that you are pleading guilty today voluntarily. You are mentally competent to do so. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty, even though there's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from States Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. I'm not going to find you guilty. I'm going to give you another chance. Make the most of it. You will be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation for 5 years. There will be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal and customary for this type of offense. Most importantly, we're going to help you with your personality disorder. You will be assessed for special needs mental health caseload, and it will be submitted to a mental health evaluation as directed by the court and the probation office. You will remain off the premises of this North End Baptist Church at 5115 East Tex. Restitution is deemed to be in an amount, according to the probable cause affidavit, of $3,000 to $4,000, and the court is going to set that as your restitution. I'm going to ask the probation office to confirm that so we'll know exactly. But I want you, this is how you fix things. When you damage property, you pay it back. You fix it and pay it back. And that's going to be required of you as a condition of probation. It is to be determined, though, verification, but it is, how did I miss that?
I think it just got doubled up on you.
Again, it's states, according to probable cause affidavit, $3,000 to $4,000, but we're going to get a verification on that to make sure that it's correct.
Judge,
Where are you going to live? Where do you live? Well, you're going to be released. It says you're a transient. Where are you going to live? Do you know? Do you have where's your family at? You don't know where they are anymore? God bless you. Where did you grow up? What city did you grow up at? Where did you grow up when you were little? Where did you live? Ma'am?
Okay.
No, I'm asking you, where did you grow up? What city did you grow up in? I'm asking you that. What? In Vidor?
Fire.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, that's not far from here. Are you going to go back to live in Vidor? Do you think? You think so? Do you still have family in Vidor?
There.
Have you talked to her about this? She's having trouble. Do you have family in Vidor still living there? Okay. Is it your parents?
Yes.
Okay. Do you plan to live with them? No. No? Okay. Brothers and sisters, maybe? Okay, but you have a plan.
Yes.
Okay, work it out with the probation office. Okay, the probation officer is going to go over this with you. Is there anything that you need me to clarify about what happened today? Do well on probation, and then I can dismiss it. If you do well for a little while, we can get this dismissed so you can move on with your life without a conviction. And are you going to try to get a job or something? What do you do? Do you have talents and skills that you can use to make money to pay this back? Yes? I'm struggling here. I feel like a dentist pulling teeth without the Novocaine. Where have you ever worked before? What did you do before? Different things? God bless her. Brent, you figured out anything after talking to her? Where does she work or anything? You same roadblock I'm facing? All right. Okay. Do you understand what's happened today? Fix this, do well, so we can dismiss this by good behavior, okay? All right. We don't want you to go to prison. All right. Thank you. Please see the probation officer. Thank you. All right. We are in recess.